Welcome to Future Online Academy. So today we're going to look at partial variation. So our WhatsApp number is 0733891768. We have got a WhatsApp channel at Future Online Academy. Then we also have a TikTok page. So today we're going to look at partial variation. Looking at the keywords, we have what you call partly constant and partly varies. So partly constant, we are saying the variable is independent, and partly varies, it is attached with something. So we are going to look at example number 1 for November 2020 4004/2. This is the code of the paper. So looking at this example, the time t minutes taken for a meeting, time t. So if you are told that the time t, the keyword is, you would represent it with an equal sign. So we are going to look at item 1, our solution. So the time t, right, t is equal to, unlike direct variation, inverse variation, joint variation, when you are dealing with partial variation, you just include the equal sign. You are not allowed to put the variation sign. This will be wrong. You'll be penalized. So you are going to include t is, you put an equal sign. Partly constant, before you put any constants, you first check item 1. Express t in terms of n and constants h and k. So h, partly constant, we say the h will be independent, h plus, then, and partly varies as the square of n. Partly varies, it will be attached to something, means that the constant k will be attached to n squared. So square of n, it's n squared, while it's square root of n, it will be root of n. But this one is not asked, so we are going to concentrate on this one. So for item 1, you'll be awarded with 1 mark and you'll be done with item 1. Then looking at item number 2. Item number 2, you are looking at if there are 4 members present. So now we are going to apply simultaneous equations. We are going to create simultaneous equations. If there are 4 members present, the time minutes, the meeting lasts 30 minutes. So you're going to say 30 minutes is equal to h plus k. N squared, 4 squared, it will be 16. So this is equation 1. So you write it properly. 30 is equal to h plus, put it in brackets, 16k. That will be equation 1. Then moving forward, we are going to look at another equation. If there are 6 members, the meeting lasts 45 minutes. So you're going to write 45 is equal to h plus k. We told that 6 members, 6 squared, it will be 36 brackets. Then it will be 45 is equal to h plus 36k. This will be equation 2. So now you are going to solve equation 1 and 2. If solving equation 1 and 2, you are going to combine them. 30 is equal to h plus 16k, which will be equation 1. Then 45 is equal to h plus 36k, which will be equation 2. Application of elimination method is going to be done here. Why? Because we have same variables, h and h are the same. So we eliminate h and h. We are going to apply elimination method. Mostly partial variation, we apply the elimination method. This is the method which is being applied here. So 30 minus 45, you get negative 15 is equal to h minus h0. 16 minus 36, utilize your calculator. Since the calculator paper, 16 minus 36, you're going to get 20. So it will be negative 20k. Then there's no space, so I will turn the bond paper. Then you're going to write negative 15 divided by negative 20, so that we remain with k. So negative 15 divided by negative 20, you're going to get 3 over 4. So k will be equal to 3 over 4. K will be equal to 3 over 4. Then we are not done yet, because we are asked to find the values of h and the value of k. So now we find the value of k. So you're going to substitute k in equation 1, or n of the equations. So equation 1, we really know that equation 1 is 30 is equal to h plus 16k. So it will be 30 is equal to h plus 16. Where there is k, we are going to put 3 over 4. Make sure you utilize the calculator. 16 times 3 over 4, going to get 12. So be 30 is equal to h plus 12. Therefore 30 minus 12 is equal to h. 30 minus 12, what do you get? 30 minus 12, utilize your calculator. 18 is equal to h. Then you write therefore. Please don't double underline when you got k and h. Then you write therefore k is equal to 3 over 4 semicolon h is equal to 18. You will be awarded with marks, getting 3 marks on this item. Then you are asked to find on item 3. Going to the question. So you must know the keywords here: partly, constant, partly, varies, and is. So find the time that the meeting will take if there are 7 members present. So the time, what are you going to do? Before you write any equation, you are going to rewrite this equation. T is equal to h plus k n squared. Then you substitute these constants. H is 18 plus k is 3 over 4 n squared. After this, you are told that 7 members present. So 7 members present, it means that's the n. So it will be t is equal to 18 plus 3 over 4 times 7 members present, to be 7 to be squared. Therefore, t is equal to 18 plus 3 over 4 times 49. You are going to utilize your calculator. 0.75 is 3 over 4 times 49. You get 36.75. So t is equal to 18 plus 36.75. 36.75 plus 18, going to get 54.75. Or you write t is equal to 54 and 3 over 4 minutes. I think this one will be your best answer if you write it in this term. So we are done for this example. I hope you have understood all the concepts. Okay, once again, welcome back. We are now looking at example number 2. I hope example number 1 was very well explained to you so that you can understand the basics of partial variation. So the cost C. So first thing, you read the questions. The first question is the question which would determine if you are going to use which constants you are going to utilize. So in this case, you are given the constants k and h. Express in terms of n and constants k and h. N representing the number of printed newspapers. So item 1 on the solutions. The cost C, right? C, we said you don't include a variation sign when dealing with partial variation. So the cost C is the most keyword, which is going is. You put the equal sign. Partly constant should be k plus partly varies as n, it will be h n. You're not being told that there is a square, there is a square root, it's just a clear n. So hn, you'll be awarded with 1 mark for this one. Then item 2, you are now applying how to create simultaneous equations. So if the cost of printing 500 newspapers is $320, so the cost is 320 is equal to 500. So it will be, so it's k here, not 500. K plus 500 h. This is going to be equation 1. Then, and the cost, so 500, first simultaneous equation here. Then the second simultaneous equation, the cost of 1000 newspapers is 540. So 540 is equal to k 1000 plus 1000 h. This will be equation 2. Means that if it's equation 2, you are going to apply elimination method. Elimination method, you are saying 320 minus 540. Why are we applying elimination method? Because k and k are the same. We are going to eliminate k. So utilize your calculator. 320 minus 540, get 220. 220 is equal to 500 minus 1000, get minus. This is going to be minus 500h. Then you divide both sides by negative 500. So negative 220 divided by negative 500, you get 11 over 25 for 0.44. So you just utilize 11 over 25 is equal to h. Getting h, substitute h in any of the equations. I'm going to utilize equation number 1. 320 is equal to K plus 500. H is 11 over 25, 11 over 25. Therefore, 320 is equal to K. I don't expect you to face challenges in paper 2 dealing with calculations because you will be utilizing a calculator. So it will be 220 plus 500 times 11 over 25 is 220 plus 220. Therefore, 320 minus 220 equals K. So 220 minus 320, you get 100 is equal to K. So your final answer, if the cost of printing, find the cost of 750 newspaper. 750 newspapers. This is printing 750 newspapers. So in this case, we have found the value of H and value of K. So don't double underline, because double underline will show that you are done with this question. So we are not yet done. In this case, you'll definitely get 2 marks for finding H and K. Now we want to find the equation which will be connecting. So we are going to rewrite item number 1. We're going to write item number 1. Therefore, C is equal to K plus HN. K plus HN. Then C is equal to, what is K? K is 100. 100 plus H is 11 over 25 N. 11 over 25 N, but then you are given that when N is equal to 750, because we want to find the cost of printing 750 newspapers. So when N is equal to 750, it's equal to C is equal to 100 plus 11 over 25 times 750. Therefore, utilize the calculator. 11 over 25 times 750, get 330. So C is equal to 100 plus 330. Therefore, C is equal to 430. But you don't leave your answer like this. So it will be C is equal to $430. You'll be awarded with 5 marks actually for writing this simple question. I hope you have understood. I wish you the best in your studies and preparation of your studies for the October-November session. Thank you so much.